Hi, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. In this session, we are going to learn about simple past tense and past perfect tense and how to use them, when to use them, and how to use both in a sentence. Now, let's see what are those tenses. The verbs come in three tenses: the past, the present, the future. The past is used to describe things that have already happened. The present tense is used to describe the things that are happening right now or things that are continuous. The future tense describes the things that are yet to happen. Now let us see the structure of past tense. Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. I played cricket. Here I is the subject, played is the verb in past tense, cricket is the object. Now let us see how to form a simple past tense and a past perfect tense, and when to use a simple past and a past perfect tense. The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. An action which occurred on a regular basis in the past. Example: she worked. The people paid less taxes. Here, the simple past tenses are worked, paid. An action occurred just a while ago. Also, the simple past tense can be used. Examples: I ate. He caught a bushes. I met a friend at market. Oh, here we find a Tweety coming eating an apple. The past tense has four forms: the simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Now, how do we form the simple past tense? The past tense is usually formed by adding d, ed or ied to the base form of the verb. However, there are many irregular verbs that take on different forms in the past tense. What are the rules for adding ed? Add ed to most of the verbs. Verb plus ed will give us the simple past tense. Examples: walk, walked, play, played, kill, killed, jump, jumped. Oh, you see this little ones jumping. Rules for adding d. Does your verb end with e? Here, drop the e and add ed to the verbs that end with e. Verb, drop the e plus ed will give us the simple past tense. Twice, knock the e down and you get smile. Now we shall see how to formulate the simple past of regular verbs. Spelling rules. Base form plus ed. Now here we have an example. Walk, walked. Verbs ending in e. Verb plus d. Like. It is the past tense is like. Verbs ending in a consonant plus y. Change y to I plus ed. Carry, carried. Study, studied. Some verbs ending in a single consonant and the second last letter is a vowel. Double last letter plus ed. Plan, planned. Stop, stopped. Now let us see some examples of simple past tense with regular verbs. I studied science. They agreed to meet at the coffee shop. The little girl cried when she fell down. My mother studied at IIT. Last night, Ram and Raj planned their holiday. Now let us see some examples of simple past tense with irregular verbs. Some verbs change their forms in past tense. An irregular verb is a type of verb that does ed at the end of the word to make the past tense or the past participle form. The spellings of irregular verb can be tricky and may follow a different pattern. Example: I took a taxi to the airport. The birds flew in a flock. One person gave me his last bar of chocolate. Now you can see how the verbs have changed their form. Take, took. Fly, flew. Give, gave. Now let us see some activities finished in the past using a simple past tense, usually including a time frame. He worked late last night. I bought a new t-shirt yesterday. Became a teacher 2 years ago. They watched a movie last night. He bought a car last week. Now let us see the past perfect tense and its usages. The past perfect tense is a verb used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. It indicates that an action was completed, finished or perfected at some point in the past before something else happened. This tense is formed by the past tense form of to have, had plus past participle of the verb, which can be either regular or irregular in form. Example: I had painted the door yellow. They had paid for dinner themselves. To form the past perfect tense, we use the past tense of the verb to have, which is had, and add to the past participle of the main verb, that is the subject plus had plus past participle will give us the past perfect tense. Example, when we reached the school, the bell had already rung. The ringing of the bell happened Now let us see how to form the past perfect tense. For regular verbs, it is had plus past participle. That is verb plus ed. Examples, you had worked late. He had cleared the table. She had placed it on the floor. It had snowed. Now, irregular verbs. Had plus unique past tense. Example, I had gone home. They decided to buy a car after the old one had broken down. To form the past perfect tense, we use the past tense of the verb to have, which is had, and add to the past participle of the main verb. That is subject plus had plus past participle, which will give us past perfect tense. The examples, we had walked to school. They had watched the tennis match. They had marked the buses. Now we shall see how to formulate the past perfect tense using some regular verbs. The rules: had plus past participle. Example, walk, had walked. Verbs ending in E, had plus past participle. Move, had moved. Verbs ending in a consonant plus Y. Had plus change Y to I plus ed. Carry, had carried. Study, had studied. Some verbs ending in a single consonant, and if second last letter is a vowel, then double the consonant plus ed. Plan, had planned. Stop. Now let us see how to form a past perfect tense with words ending in an E. Had plus past participle, that is verb plus D. Examples, I had lived there. He had closed the window. She had wiped the floor. Some more examples are, after she had moved out, I found her note. Yesterday he had got admitted in hospital. I had planned this trip well in advance. Now let us see how to combine two sentences using simple past tense and past perfect tense. These two tenses are used to talk about things that happened in the past. However, we use past perfect tense to talk about something that happened before another action in the past, which is usually expressed by simple past tense. The past perfect is mostly used with already, yet, just, and even, and also with linkers. Example: Sujata had arrived at the station before the train came. The doctor arrived after the patient had died. I bought ticket as soon as I boarded the train. I had already eaten my dinner when he called. So in other words, first I ate my dinner, then he called. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.